Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Hyundai in Yeovil. I'd like to introduce you to this Hyundai i30 Fastback. This car comes with a lovely specification. It is the N-Line, so you get some lovely sporty features. You've got Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, satellite navigation, DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, rear parking aids, and that does include a colour camera. You've also got front heated seats, and the driver's seat is fully electric with a memory function, heated steering wheel and dual zone climate control. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. All of our vehicles come with a multi-point check as well as a full service history. But if you would like any more information about this or any of our vehicles, please get in touch and someone will be more than happy to assist you. Thank you and have a good day.